from TridentZ without any additional cost. In the box we do have a beautiful smartphone, a case, power, charger, 120 watts, that is insane, and the cable. I already opened this. I've used it for like a week, so damn. Wow, this is looking gorgeous. It is gorgeous. What do we have? We have a power button, volume buttons, antennas, ear blaster, microphone, antennas, professional photography, another antenna and another one, and of course we do have SIM card tray, mic, USB Type-C, antenna and speaker.
Zeskanuj kod towaru lub wybierz dostępną opcję. Wybierz artykuł.
Are those the biggest lenses in a smartphone you've seen ever? The phone itself is powered by Dimensity 9300, 60GB of RAM, 512GB of ROM, 50GB storage compression, vivo V3 chip. 2 million in Antutu, and storage test will give you also a fantastic speed with single core 222, multi-core 7472. It sounds like a phone number, but in a single we are way above everything in the market. This is Galaxy S23 Ultra, but even Galaxy S24 Ultra that have those speeds, and multi just killed everything. Everything in the market. Galaxy S24 Ultra has like 6,400. Xiaomi 14 has 6,066. This is way above everything. Everything in the market. The best benchmark for Android. Now, those numbers doesn't mean anything if you cannot use it, so gaming. There's a game mode available and tons of different settings. Ah, lucky him. Yo! That's cool, that is cool! Ah, he was still immortal when I shot him. Yeah, winning. Woo! A sniper. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Where is he? Where is he? 60 frames per second. That is amazing. Oh no! Camera. And in the camera, we do have tons of features like Snapchat, night mode, of course. We have, of course, AI, Astro, portrait mode, which is extremely advanced. This is the most advanced portrait mode in a smartphone ever. Why is that? First of all, we can zoom in, but that's nothing. We have all kinds of size filters, bokeh effect, beauty mode, which is extreme. Like you can see, it is extreme. I've turned everything on to the max. That's why I look ridiculous. But the amount of features is crazy. And of course, more filters. I like this one, rainbow. And even more HDR. All right, let's continue to a photo. Hit menu. We have HDR, lever, watermarks, aspect ratio, timer, grid lines, and more filters. Like I said, a lot of different settings. High resolution photo. Bam. Wow. You can see the AI is making all kinds of stuff. Wide angle 50, main 50, and 100, also 50. Video. We can shoot in 8K 30 frames per second, or 4K 30, 4K 60 is of course available. We can switch lenses during the recording in 4K 60, which is amazing. And in 4K 30, it's a little bit more. So you can see that button on the top. We can switch during the recording from all the lenses. Front, back, all of them. Finally, winning. Autofocus is available from most of the lenses, like wide angle, available. Main lens, 2x, 100x, still available. That's 4x3. But front-facing camera, not available. And did you notice that it's switching itself to Full HD, which is very strange. And I always setting for the maximum, like you can see, 4K 60 and 4K 60. But for some reason, as the firmware, it was switching me back to Full HD, which is quite annoying when you, for example, let me switch back. See? Full HD. This is very annoying, and that needs to be fixed in the firmware update software. More settings for video, like teleprompter, shakiness, visualization, microphone. You can choose between phone, Bluetooth, and paired headphones, which is really nice. We don't want this video to be too long. There's so many features. Let's continue. In the more, we do have landscape, long exposure, ultra documents, supermoon, movie macro, live photos, food, astro, Jovi lens. It's an AI thing. You can scan a QR code, discover, extract text, translate, erase from the paper, review expansion, garbage classification. That is 93%. That is quick. All right, let me show you some samples for photo and video. And there will be a link in the description for you to download original photo and video samples. Starting with the main lens, 4K, 30 frames per second, a little bit of colors for you. You can switch lenses during the recording front and which is amazing. And the audio is synchronized. Winning. Winning. Then 60 frames per second. Smooth experience. Really nice. Really nice. You can vlog from it. And of course, autofocus is available, so we can get crisp image. Wow. Winning. For example, if you want to see who's in some deals there. AMG deals. There you go, spine stuff. And you can even vlog with 8K, 30 frames per second and high bitrate. Let me stop for a bit. Wow, now that is a lot of details. 8K. A lot of details. All cars. And Cinema Portrait will imitate the full frame camera with that bokeh effect on the back. What I noticed, when you zoom and find yourself a face, the AI will upscale that footage. Really weird. Colors, are they accurate? Hard to say, so many filters. Photo-wise, this smartphone is stunning, and it doesn't matter if it's night or day, telephoto or wide angle. It will give you a tremendous looking photos. I'm shocked how good it is. I think this could be one of the best, maybe even the best photo-wise smartphone in the world. And I think it looks better than Oppo, and that's something. The share of details is amazing. Battery, I'm always in a boost mode, give you maximum performance. You can choose balance or battery saver. 7 days period, average on screen time. There you go. There you go. In 7 days, it all depends. I'm using those smartphones very differently than the normal use. I'm just testing and testing again. Like webcam, Arium as a webcam for 3 hours. That's not a normal use. So you see, a lot of webcam and benchmarks. So what did we learn? And we learned that it has a beautiful screen, tons of features, fantastic camera. For photo, I think it's the best in the market, even better than Oppo Find X7 Ultra. I still don't have Xiaomi 14 Ultra, but it's coming soon. We're probably going to compare it side by side. It will be very cool. And you know what's also cool? Then I have a link in the description for you and a discount code, an additional discount. Let's find out. TridentZ, and all you need to do is find your favorite smartphone. This is in euros. You can change it for whatever you like. All kinds of currencies. Finding your favorite smartphone is easy. Very easy. All kinds of categories. And if you want to find a vivo x100 Pro, but a different version, less expensive. There you go, there you go, there you go. 100 euros less. How cool is that? Can we find even cheaper version? Just copy and paste. I think 817, yes, there you go. 817 euros. Color. Choose the color for your liking. Have all kinds of colors. Put it into your basket, proceed, and then add a discount code, which is in the description in this video. And you're ready to go. No additional cost. That's how cool it is. They have so many smartphones with a beautiful price. Even the latest Ultra. Damn. And there you go. That's the discount code for you. That's all I have. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye.